In a world where the sky wept acid rain, an activist named Ilara fought for change. Her voice echoed through empty streets, but the earth's cries drowned her out. One night, she awoke to find her skin sprouting roots, her veins pulsing with sap. The trees whispered secrets of a world beyond, where humanity was but a fleeting memory. As her body twisted into a grotesque arboreal form, she realized she was becoming one with the very earth she sought to save. Her screams were lost in the rustling leaves, a chilling reminder of nature's wrath. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.